Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Fitbit Charge 6. To begin, let's navigate the vibrant touchscreen. Swipe up or down to view your daily stats like steps and heart rate. Swipe left or right to access various apps such as exercise and alarms. A quick tap selects an option, and pressing the physical button on the side will always take you back to the home screen or wake your device. It's intuitive and designed for ease of use. Your Charge 6 is a powerful health companion. It continuously tracks your heart rate, helping you optimize workouts by staying in target zones. Monitor your daily activity, including steps, distance, and calories burned, with impressive accuracy. With over 40 exercise modes, you can track nearly any activity, from running to swimming. Plus, the built-in GPS maps your outdoor routes, giving you precise data for every adventure. Stay connected without constantly checking your phone. Your Charge 6 delivers smartphone notifications right to your wrist, including calls, texts, and app alerts. You can also control your music playback, pausing or skipping tracks with a simple tap. For ultimate convenience, make secure, contactless payments using Google Wallet directly from your device. It's all about keeping you connected and in control effortlessly. To maximize your Charge 6 experience, understand its battery life and care. Enjoy up to 7 days of battery on a single charge, though heavy GPS use or always-on display may reduce this. For optimal battery health, charge your device fully when prompted. Keep your Charge 6 clean by gently wiping the band and sensor with a soft, damp cloth regularly. This ensures comfort and accurate readings for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.